Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A 6-pound particle is subjected to the action of its weight and 3 applied forces. Force F1 equals 2I plus 6J minus 2TK in pounds. Force F2 equals T squared I minus 4TJ minus 1K in pounds. Force F3 equals negative 2TI in pounds, where T is in seconds. Determine the distance the particle is from the origin 2 seconds after being released from rest. Now, let us work through the solution step by step. We have a 6-pound particle released from rest at the origin. It is acted on by 3 applied forces plus its own weight acting downward as negative 6K pounds. The mass is 6 divided by 32.2 slugs. We need to find how far the particle is from the origin after 2 seconds. We add all 4 force vectors component by component. The I component gives T squared minus 2T plus 2. The J component gives 6 minus 4T. The K component combines the applied forces and the 6-pound weight acting downward, giving negative 2T minus 7. Applying Newton's second law, acceleration equals net force divided by mass. We factor out 32.2 divided by 6, which is approximately 5.3667, as a common multiplier for each component, giving us the 3 scalar acceleration expressions. We integrate each acceleration component with respect to time. Because the particle starts from rest, all constants of integration are 0. This gives us the 3 velocity components as functions of time. Integrating the velocity components gives us the position components. Again, all constants of integration are 0 because the particle starts at the origin. Substituting t equals 2 seconds into each position formula, the x-coordinate is approximately 14.311 feet, the y-coordinate is approximately 35.778 feet, and the z-coordinate is approximately negative 89.444 feet. The large negative z value reflects the strong downward pull of gravity over 2 seconds. The distance from the origin is the magnitude of the position vector, the square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Squaring each component gives approximately 204.8, 1280.1, and 8000.2. Their sum is 9485.1, and the square root is approximately 97.4 feet. That is the distance of the particle from the origin at 2 seconds. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.